Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to make your name invisible on the Discord. So if you want to make your name invisible on the Discord, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your browser, your browser, and then you have to search for the blank space copy, and multiple websites will be appear here, so you can select any website. So right now I go for first website, and here you will see copy to clipboard. Just tap on it. You can find other methods right here to copy this blank space. After that, go back and open your Discord, and in your profiles, let's suppose go to the settings, and in the settings we have to click on the profile. And here basically I have this is my username. Simply you have to remove it and paste it right here. Then simply you have to click on the save. Once you will do it, your name will be blank. So this is the simple way to do this. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.